Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. And if you're someone or if you know someone who is planning to buy an action camera and who are preferably going to buy a GoPro, this video is definitely for you and for those people, your friends who are planning to buy any action camera for that matter. And specifically in this video, I'm going to cover the GoPro. So last year in around somewhere, I guess, around August of last year, or I think September, I bought this GoPro, and this is GoPro Hero 11, and I got this for around 40,000 Indian rupees. And as you know, how usually GoPros and other action cameras are marketed, that they are told that they are a waterproof camera and this and that. A lot of other things are told, and I'm not telling these are not waterproof. A very strange incident happened to me. So I'll tell you the whole thing. Okay. So this is a waterproof camera. I took it into a pool and then it stopped working. No depth, no deep depths, no deep sea dives or anything. Simple, a 4 feet high pool. I took it, clicked few pictures, and when I came back, there was water inside this and it just did not work after that. So I'll tell you. So to open the GoPro, there is this seal. If you'll see, there is this red marking which tells that the camera is not properly locked. If you can see, this is the red seal. If this is showing, that means the camera is not locked properly. So if you can see, I never happened that without proper, what do we call it, proper checking, I'll take it into water. I locked it rigorously and I double checked if there was any problem with the seal, but somehow still water went inside. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, let's say the water went inside. Now I called the support and I got to know that water damages are not covered in GoPro. I'm yet to check about DJI and other action camera manufacturers, but this is a very specific thing with GoPro that I have noticed, that they don't provide warranty for a device, for an action camera that has been damaged with water. And again, my camera is now useless. I cannot do anything. I cannot return it. I cannot claim any warranty on this. I don't know what I'll do with this. If you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. But this is my Hero 11 Black that has rendered useless. It will be just lying on the table. I don't know, until unless I don't buy another action camera. I don't know if I'll buy it from GoPro or again or not. I have no idea, because they don't cover water damage, and within 7-8 months my camera has rendered useless. I have nothing to do. So I wanted to tell you people who are planning to buy a GoPro or any action camera that these devices, even though they are waterproof, they are marketed as they are a waterproof device. I double checked it. I triple checked it. I even told the support that I was cognizant. Why would I keep the lid open and then go into the water? So they said it's your mistake. We cannot do anything about it. They were not supportive at all, and they straight away told that we cannot do anything about it. If you have any information, do let me know how we can help, this and that. But they did not do anything about the water damage. That happened because of, obviously, not my mistake. I was very cognizant. Why would I keep a device? I mean, why would I keep the lid open and go into water when I know that it can damage? Right. So this is the problem that I wanted everyone to know. So if you're planning to buy a GoPro, be cognizant of the fact that this thing can happen with you as well. Do check, and other manufacturers also, maybe it's DJI or it's Insta360, but GoPro definitely don't provide support if your camera gets damaged with water. There is nothing you can do. Even if you, for example, yesterday I bought this camera and today it went into water and somehow it got water damaged. Your camera will be useless and it will be of no use and it will stop working. So that's it. If you have any suggestions or if you have any questions regarding this, and if you want to know how was the customer support and what question did they ask and what was the whole process, let me know. I'll try to reply each one of you in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions for me, do let me in the comment sections as well. So that's all for this video. Be cognizant of this fact that these action cameras are not really waterproof. That's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.